Hello and good evening, everyone. This is Tim Davis coming to you guys from the Bullish Bears team. Today is Friday, November the 9th, 2018, and this is my weekly video updating my long-term trade ideas positions. And I'm going to start this week with my closed positions, and I'll run right through these, and you can take a look at the charts on your own at your own leisure. The trades that I exited this week were XRX, Xerox, McDonald's, and Merck. On the Xerox, when I first entered this trade, the price of the stock was at $27. First target goal was $30. Original entry date on this one was October 24th, 2018. Type of trade entered on this one was a 27.30 call debit spread expiring April the 29th, 2019, with a break-even price of $28.32. And as I told you guys before in previous videos, if I hit my long strike target price before expiration, then normally I would take profits and exit the trade and find something else, which is what I did with this one. And I exited this position on November the 9th, 2018. Stock price was at $29.20. I'm sorry. So it was close to my first target goal. McDonald's share price at entry was $179. First target goal was $184. The original entry date, November the 5th, 2018. Type of trade entered, 181.85 call debit spread expiring June 21st, 2019, with a break-even price of $182.50. Exited this position on November the 8th when the price of the stock got to $186.50. which was beyond my long call strike. Next one is Merck, MRK. Well, I was bullish on this one. Share price at entry was $72.25. First target goal was $74.50. Original entry date was on November the 5th, 2018. Type of trade entered was a 72.50.75 call debit spread expiring April 18th. 2019, with a break-even price of $73.76. I exited this position on November the 8th, 2018, and the stock price was at $75.50. So as you can see on these last two trades, I actually surpassed my long strike call, 75. So I exited this position with a nice profit. All right. Now we'll go over current positions that I am currently in. Okay, positions that I'm currently in. I'm still in CNTTF, as I previously stated on my previous videos. I'm still in GLD. I just added CGC, which was a marijuana stock, Canopy Growth Company. And this one, I entered this at when the share price is $37. First target goal on this one is $50. The original entry date on this one was November the 6th, 2018. Type of trade entered, 42.50 call debit spread expiring April the 18th, 2019, with a break-even price of $45.05. Disney entered this one on today, November the 9th. The share price at entry on this one was $118. My first target goal is $123. And type of trade entered on this one is a 120-125 call debit spread expiring in April. Okay, next position. Next position that I am in is DISCA, which is Discovery. It's a bullish position. I got into this one on November the 9th, 2018. Share price at entry was $33.75. First target goal on this one, $36. Type of trade entered, 32.50/37.50 call debit spread expiring January 17th, 2020. The break-even price of $34.90. And the last new position that I entered was CL. Share price at entry was $63. First target goal on this one, $65. Original entry date was today, November the 9th. type of trade entered was a 62.50, 65 all debit spread expiring May 17, 2019 with a break even of $63.63. Okay, the first one I'll take a look at, since I already have the chart up, will be CL. And I'll be looking at daily charts and glancing at the weeklies. Whoa. Okay, on this one, a little annotation here. So this one, what I noticed was that on the daily chart, we got a nice little bounce here, and then we've got back above this trend line, and which is when I decided to enter this trade, which is a nice entry point there. And then on the next one, sorry, let's take a look at it in trend. I'm sorry, and Thinkorswim as well. CL. And here it is on the, let's take a look at it on the daily chart. And as you can see on today on the daily chart, we got a nice move up. Nice move up. And what I'm looking to see if price can breach back above the major moving averages. Already touching the 50 now. Got the 100 next, then they got the 200. So what I'm hoping is that we can break at least to $65, at least break above these moving averages before I even consider exiting this trade. So CL, that is CL. Work my way backwards. All right, let's take a look at Discovery, DISCA. And on Discovery, looking at this daily chart here, what I've noticed is it has been testing this 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level for quite some time. Got real close to breaking above it. Then we're here again, another test. May see another pullback here over the next couple of days or so, but I believe we can. There's a possible chance that we can break above this $34 level. So I mean, this $35 level. I think we could break above it. That's my goal. And this is to break above the $35 level. And if we take a look at it in Trend Spotter, DISCA. And as you can see on Trend Spotter, it shows you how we've been riding this channel. Riding this channel for quite some time. It's like we getting into an area of a possible breakout. Looking for a break above this trend line here. That is DISCA. And let's take a look at Disney. I'm not sure if I told you, I'm not sure if I mentioned Disney, but yeah, I entered a trade on Disney as well. I think I showed it already. Into Disney position. And I'm willing to bet you guys that Disney had a very good earnings report this week. So what I'm looking to happen is that for Disney to finally break above this level. Tested it a few times. I look for Disney to break above 120. I think over the next couple of weeks or the next month or so, Disney could break above this 120. As you can see, also it's like an ascending wedge, ascending triangle. I'm looking for a breakout around here somewhere soon. Break out of this ascending triangle eventually. That's what I'm looking for. Looking to happen with Disney. And looking at this daily chart on Disney as well. See this, I think we are really in prime position after a good earnings report to break above this 120 level. I think it's coming soon. I mean, a nice break above it. So that's how Disney looks. Still bullish on Disney. What else? And let's take a look at CGC, Canopy Growth. This one right here is really been beating my portfolio up, but I'm in it for the long haul. And as long as we stay above this, the 200-day moving average, which is my ultimate hope over the next couple of weeks or so, stay above this 200-day. Made a nice break, nice bounce off of back in at the end of October. And nice bounce away from it, pull back here. What I'm looking for is to find some type of support around here somewhere for the next move up. I don't want to see a move below this 200-day. Like I said, I have this position until the middle of next year, so I have time for this trade to play out as long as we stay above the 200-day moving average. Canopy growth here on the daily. It's very volatile, so you can see these wild swings. So wild swing up here, and then a big move down before it went back up. So I'm looking to stay above this trend line. That's my ultimate goal. I want to see it stay above this trend line. So if we get a bounce here, it'd be a good trade for me to stay in. And it's long term, so I got time for it to play out. I just don't want to see a break below that trend line, because that won't be good for this position. Takes a while for it to get back to where I need it to be. Okay, now let's take a look at one last one. CNTTF. I'm not going to look at that one because that's a long-term hold. I showed you guys that one a couple times before. But one I do want to take a look at is gold. Let's take a look at the gold chart. First, I want to look at the gold futures chart. Show you guys the gold is really. I think it's still waiting for a nice big push back above these major moving averages. This is the daily chart on gold, and as you can see, it's still fighting to get above the major moving averages. It bounced back above the 50 at one point. Now we pull back below the 50 right here, because it's not a good bullish sign. However, we're still above the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which still gives me some sort of hope on gold. Still above that level. Now, if you look at it on the Fibonacci, I'm sorry. Take a look at it over here on TrendSpotter. We'll take a look at GLD, which is the ETF that I'm actually trading. And the original reason why I got into this position is the move that I saw when it was struggling down here, break above this trend line, which it was gracefully running down for quite some time. So when we finally got this break above this trend line, I was in. Now, looks like we had a move up. Now we head back towards this trend line. What I'm hoping for is to get a bounce somewhere around in here for another move higher. This is a longer term position for me, so I got time for this to play out. I still think this gold has room to move towards this upper trend line, which is what I'm looking forward to. All right, and I believe that is the last one I need to show you guys. So those are my current positions. I think I went over all of them. Oh, there's one more I need to go over. I did not. I don't think I did. CL. This is one that I saw. Got into recent. I did show you guys this one. I'm sorry. I did show you guys this one. I'm looking for a move above these major moving averages. So I got to show you guys this one. Had a nice big pop today. I'm looking for a move back above these major moving averages. And the longer term weekly chart is also, looks pretty appealing. And it doesn't have earnings again until January. And it just recently had earnings, made a move downward, but now it's making a move higher. That big green candlestick on the weekly right there. And I'm looking for a move back above these major moving averages. So, okay, folks, with that said, hopefully I showed you guys some positions that may interest you, or showed you guys something that you can use with your trading. And that's all I have for you guys. On a closing note, let's take a look at the S&P futures, just to show you guys what the S&P currently looks like on the daily chart. And here we are here on the daily chart of the S&P. And we are back around the major moving averages, trying to find some support to go higher. So we'll see how that pans out over the next coming weeks or so. But I still think this market has room to run above these major moving averages and run back towards 2,900 for the S&P. All right, you guys. Hopefully you guys saw something you can use. Again, if you guys continue to follow me in our swing trade room, sometimes I update these positions throughout the week. Like you saw, I sold several positions this week for profit in the middle of the week. And normally in the swing trade room, I normally go over some of these closing trades as they happen. All right, until next time, it's Tim Davis from the Bullish Bears team signing off. For those of you who have not done so just yet, please visit our website, www.bullishbears.com, to find more about us, to find more about our trade rooms. We have a swing trade room, a day trade room, a futures room. Come and visit our website. You can find a little bit more about us, about our trade rooms. We have blog information there. We have a lot of information on our website that may benefit you as a trader. All right, until the next video, it's Tim Davis from the Bullish Bears team signing off. Have a great weekend, you guys, and I will see you guys on the next one.